Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Australia to Sri Lanka through Remitly. So let's quickly dive into the steps and step guide. So one of the quickest way is to open the Remitly website and or use the app, then sign in or create a Remitly account with your details. Then on the step 3 you have to select Australia as a sending country and Sri Lanka as the receiving country. Then step 4, you have to enter the amount of money you want to send and choose the delivery method. Options usually include bank deposit or cash pickup in Sri Lanka. Then fill in your recipient full name, bank details if bank deposit, or pickup details if you are using cash pickup. Then on step 7, you have to select your own payment method. So you can use your debit card as payment method, credit card as payment method. You can also use bank transfer as payment method, and make sure you review the details carefully. The transferring details to avoid loss of funds. So make sure you review or double check the transfer details and confirm the transaction. And that's how you can easily transfer money from Australia to Sri Lanka. You can also track your transaction using the Remitly app until your recipient gets the money. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more video guide. Thanks.